tornado warning has been issued for
at the request of the Los Angeles Sheriff's Department.
Amber Alert!
One of them is Princess Donnell Scarlett, who's been described as a 4-year-old African-American girl who is 3 feet tall, 35 pounds, brown eyes, and has brown hair with multicolored beads. Wearing a white skirt with a mermaid in the middle, blue jeans, and pink Nikes. Police are also searching for Preston Jeremy Scarlett, who is being described as a 5-year-old African-American boy who is 4 feet tall, 42 pounds, with brown eyes and brown mohawk hair, wearing a blue skirt, blue jeans with a rip, and black Nikes. The suspect is driving a burgundy 2016 GMC Terrain with Texas license plate number HFL1525. Again, that's HFL1525. The car has a black quarter panel, red passenger door, and is missing the front bumper. The suspect was last heard from in Farmers Branch. With discount code OFFICE. That's $25 to $75 off any discount.
Norton.com/news. That's Norton.com/news for 40% off. Offer good through March 8th.
For the latest news, sports, and weather information under one roof, go to KDKARadio.com, presented by NASCO Roofing. NASCO. NASCO.
The following is a test of the EAS. This station is testing its emergency alert equipment. The EAS provides timely emergency warnings. This station serves the extended Pittsburgh operational area. This concludes this EAS test.
Larry Richard at the PA Hypnosis Center with Dan Bitchoff. That's Bitchoff with a V. Dan, I love this.